This question we have to determine the magnitude and sense, as in the direction of the current in the 500 ohm resistor. This one, if the current, this one is 30 milliampere. So let's say this current is I1 and this current is already 30 milliampere. So let's talk about in terms of milliampere only. So this is I1 plus 30 as per the KCL. So this is, I mean, even if I want to apply it like this is point A. So at A, if I apply KCL, then the incoming current is equal to the outgoing current, where I1 and I2 are in milliampere, which means that I2 is equal to I1 plus 30, right? At A. Then we talk about the KVL, right? So let's apply a KVL in these two loops, loop 1 and loop 2. So if we apply KVL in loop 1, that's going to be 30. This is also I1, so that's going to be minus 500 times. In fact, let's avoid the confusion and convert the milliampere into ampere. So that's going to be 0.03. So this is going to be 0.03. This is going to change and this is going to change. And this will be in just be in ampere. 0.03 and this is 0.03. So that's coming as 30 minus 500 times I1 plus 15. Um, I'm sorry, it's not I1, that's I2 because this is I2 and this is I1. So minus uh, this resistance, I think, is not given. Yeah. So that's as simple as minus I1R, that is equal to 0. Okay. And then we talk about the loop KVL. And I mean, if we try to simplify this one, the 30 plus 45, 30 plus 15 is 45. And the 2 taken over on the other side is going to look like this, right? It's going to look like this. Okay, let's substitute this I2 in terms of I1 from this equation. So let's replace I2 and write it as I1 plus 0.03 plus I1R. So that's going to be 45 will be equal to 500 I1. This will be 15 plus I1R. So subtracting both sides by 15, we have 30 is equal to 500 I1 plus I1R. Let's call this equation number 1. Likewise, we apply KVL in loop 2 to get, I think, if we start from this battery, that's 10 minus 400 times 0.03 plus I1R minus 15 is equal to 0. It's going to be 4 minus 12 plus I1R minus 15 is equal to 0. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17. Minus 17 goes over on the other side to give us 17 over here. So we got the value of I1R. Let's call this equation number 2. So from first and second, we can easily replace this I1R with 17, right? From equation 1 and 2. So that's going to be 30 is equal to 500 I1 plus 17. Subtracting both sides by 17, we have 13 is 500 I1. So the value of I1 comes out as 13 over 500. So the value of I1 from here comes out as 13 over 500. It's 0.026 ampere, or it can also be written as 26 milliampere. Not sure which current they were interested in. So they were interested in the current through 500 ohms. So they are interested in I2. So the value of I2 is I1 plus 0.03. So the value of I2 is I1 plus 0.03, which is going to be 0.056 ampere, which is nothing but 56 milliampere. That is the current I2. So if you look at the options, the correct option is 56 milliampere and the direction is over to the from left to right, of course. Thank you.